This call is now being recorded. Welcome to the webinar. Please stand by. The webinar will begin shortly. Please remain on the line. The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Please wait. We start our session in next few moments. Well, we start our session. Yes, so did you get chance to practice yesterday's class? Creation of storage accounts, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Fantastic. Okay. Check your lab. Well, we'll start our session now. Yesterday's class we understood how to create storage accounts. Right. Let's continue. In today's session, we'll understand how to use those storage accounts. And I think yesterday I gave some FAQs, right? You try to submit.
Yes, sir.
Not
Yes, sir.
submit. Okay, please try to complete the things on time. Well, let's get started now. Let's understand how to work with, how to operate on the storage account. We'll do it here. Just wait for a few moments. Wait for a few moments to start now. Yes, friends. Hope you're ready with your running notes. Yes, we start our session. Yes, please. Hope you're ready with your running notes, everyone. We start our session
Yes,
now.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let's get started. So yesterday we learned 5 different items, right from the Azure account creation to 2 different storage accounts, regular storage account and data lake storage account. Okay, next. Then we understood something called Storage Explorer tool and we performed the linking activity. Now let's understand a simple concept, portal activity. Okay, hope you're ready with your running notes. Let's get started now. Let's do it carefully. Here is our storage account 1, storage account 2, something like this. These 2 are accounts yesterday and just delete the other one. Well, how I deleted it? Check the box and top delete. Check the box and then top use see delete function. Let's get started now. Let's understand how to work with storage activities or operations on the storage account. Okay, let's see a simple concept. All we do is we click on the storage account. Good to write your observation notes. Click on the storage account. Okay, once we put to storage account, we have 2 options. To perform operations, we have two options inside the storage account page. What are they? Let's. One is individual pages. For now, I'll take containers. Other one, we have storage browser. Containers, another one, storage browser. Two different items. Okay, let's take container first. Click on container. I click on container. Well, next let's observe carefully. Here we go. Click on container and plus container. See here, plus container. Just like a server needs a database for storage, here storage account requires container to store files. Remember what we did? Click on containers, left side, plus container. Now click on container and upload this one. Click on upload. Select, say click on upload. I'll mail you one file, a sales data file. Click on upload. Optionally, go to advanced and upload to folder. See here, advanced and folder. I'll say, for example, I'll type it as file store folder, give some name. Okay, just give some folder. Then no worries about types like block type, block size, access tier. We'll do them. I understand we are very new to the environment. We'll do one by one. Don't worry about other things. Click upload. What we are doing? We are uploading a file into a folder. How? Advanced, then folder name. Okay, advanced and folder. With this information, verify. Click on the folder and we see the file like this. Okay, next. What we did so far? Storage account ready. Inside storage account, container ready. Inside container, file with a folder. I'll repeat where we are right now. Left side container. Other option. Click on storage browser. See here, storage browser. Once we click on storage browser, there you see blob containers like just an alternative. Blob container, click add container. like give container name, click OK. You click on the container, click on the container. Here you have option to add direct. In storage browser, you see add directory. I will say, for example, folder 2. Okay, give some name. Any name is fine. Click OK. Remember, it's a virtual directory. You click on this folder 2. The container, you don't see the folder. It's a virtual. Okay. Then when to see that? If and only if you upload a file, we can see that folder. The folder is empty, we don't see it. So what we need to do first, add directory, click OK, then upload file. Add directory, click OK, then upload file. Remember, earlier container space, we didn't see the add directory option. Now click upload, which will prompt you for what? Browse and select required file. Select the file and click upload. Okay, let's just click upload. I'll upload the file. Any file of your choice. Okay, just upload it. Okay, so here we go. I'll make sure I'll upload the file. I'll change the directory name and upload it. Add directory. Click OK. Upload. Browse for the required file. Okay. Just browse for the required file. You click on browse. You may select multiple files. Okay, for now, one file. And click upload. That's great. Any file is fine. Just click upload. Let's click upload. Anyway, you got the process. I just take you back to second storage account. One option is containers. Okay. Other option, storage browser. Click on storage browser. Double click on the containers. Add container. Any name is fine. I'll say container 3 for example. What we do next? Once your container is created, click either regular storage account or data lake storage account. Same the storage account, either container or storage browser. Remember these new terms. Container level or storage browser level. We can verify the uploaded file content. Go to storage browser or container, and here it is. Click on the container. Click on the folder, and here is the file. Come on, what we did? Go home. What next? Storage account. Next, container or browser. Click on the container and this one. Say for example, click on the first container we created earlier. And you see a small CSV file, right? Click on the file. We can preview the contents of the file. Here, go to URL, this one. Copy the URL. Download the file for preview. So download the file for preview. You don't want to download, say it's huge data. Still you would like to have preview. Then comes data storage container. Click on container. Click on the folder and file. Without any download, see here, without any download, you have something called edit. And additional options which are missing in the storage browser. Observe the storage browser is an easy accessibility. We need not fit between the pages. I repeat again, observe carefully. If it is storage browser, we need not switch between the pages, just like your SSMS Object Explorer. Left side you see a static Explorer page. Click, only the right side windows would change. Right? Left side no change, just like your SSMS Object Explorer window. So easy navigation. To operate on data, we go for storage browsers, data operations, like uploads, directories, copy, rename, etc. For live data edit, our very next concept, security, later management activities, we require container page. So storage browser page for few activities like uploads, add directories, renames, copy, etc. Container few other activities like live edits, security items, and few admin activities like snapshots, versions, etc. Mixing these two together, we have Storage Explorer tool, the tool that we installed yesterday. Back to our notes. Just take it this way. Our requirement. Here it is. storage account operations in WhatsApp. You log into your Azure account, log into the Azure account, home, all resources. You see the two storage accounts created earlier. Right now, click on the first storage account, left side container, this one. Left side container page. Left side container. Data storage container. Click on left side, click on data storage container. We see one default container called $log. This one, $log. We require it for auditing activities, auditing and monitoring. Click on plus container, specify a container name, create. Remember, container name should be in small case and no spaces. So here, in our example today, small case and no spaces for container name. Click on above created container, browse for the file and here it is. Add one, specify a folder name, click copy. Then other option. Click on the storage Azure portal. I'll put this way from Azure portal. Click on the storage account created earlier. Left side you see something called storage browser. Okay, left side you see storage browser. This particular option. Once you go to storage browser, log containers, add container specify name. Remember, container name does not have any special characters or space, should be in small case. Click on above created container, add direct. Specify a folder name. Specify a folder. What is this? A virtual directory. Upload file. Browse for the file. Click upload. Remember, any error, you please refresh the connection. Refresh the browser page. Now the question, when to use which option? Option 1, container page for security management and admin operation. Our next class, something called snapshot, versioning, etc. Option 2, storage browser for easy usage like file uploads and text links. Okay, apart from this, how to know the type of storage account? How to know the type of storage account, whether it is a regular storage account or a data lake storage account? How do you know that? One more thing, how to convert a regular storage account to data lake storage account? Here we have. First, how to know which storage account it is? You log into Azure account, home resources, storage account. We see overview page. Go to overview page, hierarchical namespace enabled. Go to storage account, overview page, earlier container page, storage browser page, now overview page. Hierarchical namespace disabled means it is a regular storage account. Same way, go to other account. Same overview page. Hierarchical namespace enabled means data lake storage. So from the overview page, we can identify the information. And how to migrate, how to convert. We have something called data lake gen 2 upgrade page. There is something called data lake storage gen 2 upgrade. We call it as simply upgrade page. Right now it's account 2, right? For account 1 we see. Because account 1 is a regular storage account. Go to account 1 and then we need to go to something called a upgrade. Left side, I call it as upgrade. This one, data lake gen 2 upgrade. From regular storage account, we can upgrade to gen. Before we do upgrade, there are other security items we need to consider. I'm just showing you the option. We can do that, a review and continue. But we'll do it after performing security items. Right now, yes, we are understanding how to work with storage account. Two different options in the portal. Storage browser, container. Then why to go to storage explorer tool? We cannot upload directories. Number, we need to switch between different windows. May cause caching issues while uploading the browser caching issues while uploading large files. To address above limitations, we have storage explorer tools. For example, few minutes back, I tried to upload, I got an error. I refreshed the page, no more error. More importantly, cannot upload directories. You got a folder with 10, 20, 30 files. We cannot upload a folder directly. It's only uploading files. To address this problem, let's go with Storage Explorer. I'll wait for some time. Please go to the notes carefully. Any questions here? Let's know. Yes, please go to it carefully. Are we clear so far, please? Before we continue the portal operation. Yes, I'll wait, please. Are we clear?
Yes.
Fine. Let's continue portal. So let's come with the storage tool, Storage Explorer. Yesterday's class, we logged into the storage account. Then we had the tool. We launched the tool. We logged in. I mean, left side account button, add subscription. and we check the default directory. So here we go. Go to Storage Explorer tool. We did until step 1 to 3 yesterday. Left side Explorer button, first button left side. Go to the previously created storage account. Refresh PC container. Here it is. We created the container from bottom. We can verify the how to refresh this one. Refresh all. Go to containers. Okay, here is the container engine. Right click, create container. Right click, create blob container. So right click, blob container, this one, blob container folder, and create container. Okay. Right click, blob container folder, create container. Once you click on create container, for example, container 3 line. No additional windows, more straightforward. Then what else? Upload folder. Earlier upload files, now upload folder. Small basic operation. Click on upload folder. Now see what happens in the activity. I'll just upload one folder. Click upload. Just click upload. There is something called SAS we call it. This is our next one. Shared access key or shared access signature key. Pertaining to security. Double click on this folder and we'll see the files. It can be a text files or CSV or PSD, any file it can be. Select and download. You may download a folder or download a file. You can create a new folder. Select all files or folders and things. Either regular storage account or data lake storage account, same process. Back to the screen. Upload folders, upload files, download or open, or select a file and delete. Advantage, easy navigation. We can switch from one container to another container easily. Using tabs. Each tab is called a session. Let me show you. Here it is. Sorry, this storage explorer. Double click on container 2, you get a new tab automatically. See here. Or double click on container 1, you get another tab automatically for easy navigation. It's not the case in portal. The existing page will be overwritten or overlapped with the new page. Limitations. We cannot create storage accounts. Remember, we can only create containers. We can only use existing storage accounts. We cannot create new storage accounts in the Storage Explorer tool. And we cannot modify storage account property like account upgrade, later applications, snapshots. We cannot do that. With this information, we learn now Portal and Storage Explorer. Both are equally important. There are few operations in Portal like creating storage account, management activities. We cannot do using Storage Explorer. Let's understand now the actual usage with migrations, data imports, data uploads, live data tracking, etc. One by one. Please go through these operations carefully. Any questions, let me know. Next, we'll continue with our security item. Yes, observe carefully. Any questions here, let me know, please. I'll wait. You got some idea, everyone, please? How to use storage accounts from Explorer tool. You got the idea, everyone? Let me know, please. Before we continue.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Correct. So far with Portal, what else? Storage Explorer. Basic activities we learn. Portal and Explorer. What's the main purpose of storage account? Yesterday's class. Main purpose of storage account: migration. On-premise to SQL database migration, Azure SQL database migration, data imports, live data capture. To perform these kind of activities, even ETL staging, to perform these activities, we need security. Yes, you are the you can perform on the tools, the Explorer tool or the Portal. In real world, we cannot expect everyone to be as a data engineer. We are responsible for secured access to storage account. Let's understand security concept and use this security concept for our next journey: migration, imports, the actual practical uses of storage. Let's understand now security activities. In SQL Server, we have two authentications basically, right? What are they? Windows authentication. For the purpose.
Windows authentication, it works with the Windows.
It's only within our company, right? Isn't it? Within our Active Directory, in the partner, we go for Windows, extranet users, partner users, external users, vendors. It can be a scale authentication.
Yeah.
Yes, everyone. Are we getting it? Yes.
Yes, sir.
It shows an SQL. Aware of it. Then the things are very easy here. Internal within Azure, IAM. Remember, IAM. Security within Azure, IAM. For accessibility outside Azure, between operations, dark circle, access key. For secured activities like read, write, secured activities, something called tab, shared access signature key. So two departments now. Security access within Azure, secured access within Azure, secured access outside Azure. If it is outside Azure, admin or read write. specific privileged access. So total there are 3 arrow marks, one within Azure, 2 outside Azure. Here it is. Different techniques involved in Azure storage security. Task key, access key, IAM. Task key. For example, in our next classes, we'll understand how to import whatever file we uploaded today. That file content we are going to import into your local SQL server. We uploaded one file today, right? We created a container. We uploaded a file, sales data CSV file. How to consume it? Yes, we can import data, bulk operation. We are able to read data from the container. We require something called task key. Same way. Database migration. Entire database has to be migrated. Your SSMS will ask you for something called access key. Let's understand how to generate task key. Use it in the next example. How to generate access key. Use it in the next example. How to generate IAM and use it in the next example. Are we getting the plan now, everyone? Please, I'll wait.
Yes, sir.
Are we getting the plan? Please, are we getting the plan? Please, I'll wait. Yes, Sumul, go ahead. Do you hear me? Sumul, Sagar, Simon, please take your mic, please. Fine. Simon, do you hear me? Sagar, do you
Yes,
hear me?
yes.
Please check your mic, please. Fine. Pragnapi, do you hear me? Pragnapi, please check your mic, please. Let's continue. Where we are? Our requirement. Yes, yesterday's class we created 2 John should manage it and manage it approved. So you are supposed to provide admin access to John. But John is an AWS admin. John is an AWS S3 admin. In Azure we say storage account. In Amazon Web Services we say S3 bucket we call. Here storage account containers. There in Amazon Web Services it is S3 bucket. Even Google Cloud also buckets we call storage bucket. So they wanted to access your container for few admin related activities. Another small practical use case for access key. Giving admin permissions to others, outsiders. If you, for example, if you are a Snowflake admin, or you came across a Snowflake admin. Snowflake is a data warehouse environment, a cloud-based data warehouse environment. Depends on it. Yes, we know British Indians own I think more than 250 plus data. That own by 250 plus data. any airport, right? British Airways don't have any airport till date. But they depend on Emirates Airport or other government companies to land and take off its flights. Snowflake is like a plane, airplane. And Snowflake has three different options to land in the data and take off. One of the airport is Snowflake is a cloud environment. It doesn't have its own storage. It depends on Azure or AWS or Google Cloud. I repeat, it's very important for us. Just in case you are into core data engineering, that we may need to work with Snowflake engineer, AWS engineer, Power BI developer, Power App or Power Platform engineer, with the analyst we call Power Platform analyst. I'm talking about the scenarios that may need us to create something called as access key. Here you go. A Snowflake cloud will depend on any one of these clouds. For what? Snowflake is like an airplane. Azure is one airport. AWS is another airport. Google Cloud third airport. I am comparing with airport. Reason, the flight may take off from one airport, may need to land in some other airport. Owned by the same company or a different company. Same concept. This landing environment needs admin privileges on the storage. Something like this. Azure cloud is different. Snowflake cloud is different. Snowflake cloud has to use one of the three prominent cloud providers, Azure or AWS or Google Cloud. Very recently there came Salesforce Cloud for Snowflake, but I don't know the reason. Again, that particular image and the paragraph was removed from Snowflake. They added it, it was there for about 2-3 weeks, and again, I don't know. Right now we have three different clouds. Now, the reason for me taking this way, Snowflake is a nice, happening, celebrated warehousing technology, no doubt. It depends on Azure Cloud or even AWS or Google Cloud. For what? Storage. So a Snowflake cloud has to communicate with Azure Cloud, require access. Assume, for example, you have Power BI cloud. Yes, we are going to understand Power BI in our classes. Next few classes will take it in our pipeline. We have it. We are right now in chapter number 3. And chapter number 8 will talk about Power BI. A Power BI cloud, say it wanted, a database wanted to report data from a storage account. We don't need to provide admin permissions, right? Only read permissions are enough. Or a SQL developer or a .NET developer or some full stack developer wanted to write data to your container. Enough to give only write permission. That is called tab. Friends, are we getting some basic idea now? Let's use it. Please, are we getting it? I'll read.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Snowflake is a completely different technology. It's somehow related.
Simon, I think I'm not able to get you clearly. Please, repeat again.
The Snowflake technology which we mentioned, is it Azure or is it a completely different platform?
Completely different stuff. Completely. It internally depends on one of the three cloud providers for storage. Completely different platform. separate SPL from slow SPL.
So it doesn't have any storage of its own.
Exactly. Doesn't have any storage space. It depends on Azure storage or AWS storage or Google Cloud storage.
Thank you.
The reason for us understanding this statement, as a data engineer, we may need to render our services to Snowflake developers or Snowflake admins. Okay. Just for that reason, I'm just mentioning it. I mean, we should know our stakeholders. We should know who can be our customer. As a data engineer, to whom I have to service my data. Now, here we go. Access is admin. SAS is particular, specific, privileged access like read or write. Let me show you these. Then we'll talk about time. Simple and straight. Hope you are writing your running notes, everyone, please. Yes, hope you are writing your running notes, everyone,
Yes, sir.
please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Perfect. Let me show you access key. Admin access. Here it is. What is access? Used for providing admin level privileges to the entire storage account to the user who do not have Azure account, a Snowflake, a AWS engineer, a AWS S3 or anyone who needs to have full controls on your storage account. Say for their admin or engineering related access. There are two different access keys. Please take your mind. Primary key, secondary key. Primary key, usually dynamic ad hoc connection. Usually dynamic ad hoc connection. Meaning, it may keep changing. It may keep on regenerating the key. Secondary key, usually static. Scheduled connections, trusted app connection, application. During you don't want to disturb the application connections again and again. We'll take this example. We have something called as, in our examples coming up, chapter 7, we'll take some telco generator app. Modify the configuration file of the app in our next example. So you don't want to modify the app settings again and again. Then we can make use of something called secondary key. What the app will do? It will capture the changes and store it in the storage account. Live temperature, live phone call track, everything inside to track and store something. Let's see how to generate the access key. Either using portal or using storage explorer, we can get it. Now, go to storage account, left access key. Go to storage account, left something called access key. This one, see here. Either regular storage account or data lake storage account, same idea. Go to access key, show key. Here you see one, or show key, rotate key. Rotate means to regenerate a new key, right? This key can be used, or the connections key can be used by your customers who really need it in partition. This is one option, okay? Click on access key. So earlier containers page, then storage browser page, overview page, now access keys page. From here, Explorer tool. Remember, admin level permission. So complete account level, we have the access key, not container level or file level. It's always at the entire account level. Right click, account level, right click, copy primary key or copy second. Right click, copy, that's it. Nothing called show key, regenerate key, nothing like that. Just copy it and paste it separately. Right click, copy primary, copy secondary. If you want the complete connection string, in such a case, Explorer will not work. We need to go to portal. There only we see complete connection. This is what we are going to use in our next examples, migrations and other. Then we have something called cache. Unlike access key, cache key has many levels: account level, container level, folder, file level. We are going to understand next item. For today, you practice these items carefully. Those two files, portal access and storage explorer access, two files, and third file until item 3 you practice. We'll talk about SAS key tomorrow and something called IAM. Understand something else called type of blobs. There's something called append blob, blob, extend blob, to understand the next example, migration, import, and so on. Yesterday FAQs, done with your submission or still yet to do? Let me know, I'll wait.
Submitted.
So, done? Done or yet to do? Done or yet? And can I send some more applications today or not required? Somebody will do that. Yes. Really?
Yes, sir.
Please submit the items on time, okay? Please do it. Or if not, if you are very busy, at least by weekend, please try to submit. Okay, everyone, please. Anyway, we are meeting tomorrow, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So by week, complete everything. Hope it is clear, everyone, please. Yes, please, everyone. Please do it.
Yes, sir.
On-time practice required. FAQs, please try to work on them by weekend. Please do that. Better understand. I'm sending you all the information now. Storage part will continue next item tomorrow. One by one we'll do.
One question, sir. Why do we have two keys?
Well, like that. One is for static connections. And the app connection. For example, is a Power BI. You schedule it on every day. What if he changes quite often? It's a problem, right? Again, developer has to intervene every day, right? Same time, say someone else say I want some access temporarily for next 12 hours. You don't want to compromise by giving a permanent key. You would like to give a temporary key. So one key can be made temporary for NFS connections we call dynamic on-the-fly connection, and other key for trusted, scheduled, secondary, reporting connection. What it now?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Fine. Next question.
I've requested a video class for yesterday. I didn't get a link for that. But maybe
Okay. So I'll check my mail.
yes.
Friends, anyone missing the class, please let us know in advance. Okay, it will be easy for me, please. Maybe email or WhatsApp or anything. Just if possible, please give it. Can I mail me, right? I'll check and reply you back. Please.
Yes, sir. I texted you in the WhatsApp, sir.
Then fine. I'll check.
Sure.
And so you got the mail, everyone. Please check it. I'll wait, please. Total 8 attachments today. Please check it. I'll wait. Please check it.
So one down, like yesterday when I was creating the storage account,
Yeah.
I didn't see that free subscription offer. I got one subscription, a pure subscription one.
Yeah,
When I
yeah. So
go-
that's the default name for free subscription.
Okay. So it's free only, right?
Yeah.
Says your remaining $200 credit expires in
Exactly.
29.
That's the free account training. That's fine. Let's start.
So in
Got
case
your
if-
email, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, Simon. Please continue, Simon. Please continue.
if I go ahead in case of any charges coming, they will inform us earlier, right? By email or something for charges.
Exactly. They will inform us, but better to keep a track of the free account. Generally, it's 30 days. So set a reminder in your mobile for next 25 days and to disable the subscription after 25 to 28 days.
So
Next question, please. I'll wait. No questions, well, you can. Thank you. Meeting tomorrow. Any questions, I'll wait. Tell Mr. Vasu. Tell so primary very closely. One of the examples you said 12 hours. Is it 12 hours? No, I said like it's not documented. I said an example. I said just an example. Okay. There is no expiry. No expiry. By default, no expiry. We have to rotate the key manually. Once you rotate, then old key will be expired automatically. Okay. No default documented timeout. We have to do it at a data in someone's house. So that's it. Next question, please.
Sir, can we change the ADLS storage account to general folder?
Degrade not possible, sir. Only upgrade is possible. We cannot degrade the storage.
Sir, I have used the free subscription few months back, so I can't use the free account.
Again, new pen, new credit card, new mobile number, new headset, new email.
So if I want to purchase for a month, how much it will cost?